All right, so it's been in the news a lot lately. What is standing? And you hear about standing in a court of law. What is it? Standing is the idea that not just anybody can sue over just anything. You have to have a personal, direct approach to the action. You have to have some reason that you're personally invested in the outcome. And that personal investment has got to be something more than I have a really strong opinion. For example, you can't just sue the federal government and say, I don't like the way you're handling foreign policy. All right, the courts say that's really very interesting. You can express that at the voting box. You're not going to express it in a court of law because you don't have standing to sue the government over that. Another example would be that I can't go sue my neighbor because he owes another guy down the street money. I've got to say he owes me money, or the courts are going to say, you don't have standing. It's not up to you. We're not going to adjudicate a dispute between other people because you asked us to. That becomes really complicated in certain situations. So for example, a law goes into effect that somebody doesn't like, and they say, hey, my company may be adversely affected by this new environmental legislation that went into effect. I think it's going to cost us money to comply with it. But courts are going to ask, do you actually have standing as a company? Meaning, are you directly and proximately injured by what's happening with this regulation, and therefore we'll let you litigate it? This is a complex doctrine. There's a lot of different areas to it, and you'll hear about it a lot in the news. Entire Supreme Court cases sometimes are decided not on the actual issue of whether something should be the law or not, but only on whether the person involved has the authority to even bring the case that's currently pending down in a lower federal court. So that's a little bit of standing and a little bit of why it's important for you.